Hey guys, it's me, pikahufan82, or TheUltimateWhovians. Today I'll be showing you my my custom sonic screwdriver. Ignore the metaphors. Sonic or for the screwdriver you see here. You need a screwdriver. And yeah, I've got some great news. I bought the anytime sonic screwdriver off eBay, considering all my 10 I can't talk to say. All my 9th and 10th ones break. They brought a new one for a week more price too. Yeah, it's good screwdriver now. So as you can see, it's mainly a 10th one. Oh god, bad to glare. And the 11th one. So what I did was, I was going to make a custom 10th and 9th one, but I thought nah. Make a custom own one completely. I glued the lid onto that and the bottom onto that. So since it now comes off on the shelf, it's never used until it's just decoration. Put both buttons out. I'm trying to wait that, but it's going nowhere. I don't know if you can see or not, but I've gone over it with black Sharpie. So you can see to fill in the cracks. Then what I did was get a 7/11 one. Yes, see. I just went to find out half of it. Took my working 11th one. I have 2 11th ones. Did one dot both in. I don't know why it's not staying in. By my working 11th one. Some half, well, it's mid-turner. I just stuck it right into the bottom half of the 10th plus 9th one. So now I put in that and it works. I did a cool trick with it. Well, I took the master laser screwdriver, put down, shoved the sonic in it. See? 2 custom screwdrivers without breaking them. But I broke the half, just had fun a bit. But I'm getting a new one. This is good. I'll be seeing you guys later. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment and subscribe to us. Bye.